Hello, Richard Lewis Hunter Sr. here with multi-million-dollar insurance claims and verdicts. I invite you to subscribe to my monthly newsletter, the third newsletter. The newsletter will be on commercial big truck accidents and why plaintiffs' law firms are targeting these type of catastrophic claims. I will share with you my many real-life multi-million-dollar claims and verdicts and resolution of these type of cases, and why many plaintiffs' firms are targeting these type of incidents. I have been awakened countless times between midnight and dawn to travel to a big truck accident scene involving multi-vehicles that are a total loss, and oftentimes, unfortunately, with permanent lifetime injuries and disabilities to claimants and plaintiffs. Sadly, even loss of life. I will present real-life cases and my recommendations on how you, even in such difficult situations, can secure the maximum amount recoverable from an insurance company or self-insured corporation. To get this valuable information, please subscribe to my monthly newsletter by clicking the link below. Thank you very much, and do have a blessed day.